Hello everyone, myself Clara Levincy. In this presentation, we are going to see about wireless connectivity. Introduction to wireless communication. Wireless communication is a method of transmitting information from one point to another point without using any connection like wires, cables, or any physical medium. RF waves are used to transfer data. It's flexible, fast, and cheap. These are the types of wireless communication based on the area it covers with examples. Wireless personal area network, wireless local area network, wireless metropolitan area network, and wireless wide area network. From this, we are going to see about Bluetooth, Zigbee, NFC, and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. The physical layers of Wi-Fi are divided by IEEE standard 802.11. There are different types of this standard as we can see in the table. Each has different frequency, different data rate, and different distance. The maximum range is up to 1 km. Wi-Fi supports star topology. It provides security using WPA2 algorithm that was developed by Wi-Fi Alliance. Wi-Fi consumes more power. Applications of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is used to connect devices in the local area network and shares files between devices, stream audios and videos from smartphones to TV or speakers, connect to printer from smartphones and computer wirelessly. We can share internet services using Wi-Fi and mobile hotspots. Wi-Fi services. Wi-Fi has two kinds of services, basic service set and extended service set. The basic service set is a building block of a Wi-Fi network with an optional base station called access point AP. A BSS without an AP is an independent BSS and also called ad hoc network. BSS with AP is an infrastructure network. Extended service set is made up of two or more BSS with AP. Bluetooth. It is a wireless personal area network. It is cheap and consumes less power than Wi-Fi. The physical layers of Bluetooth are defined by IEEE standard 802.15.14. The range is up to 1 to 100 meter. Bluetooth uses ISM band of 2.4 to 2.485 GHz and supports data rate based on different versions from 722 kb per second to 24 MB per second. Bluetooth supports star topology with a maximum of up to 7 links in a network. Bluetooth provides security using 128-bit AES algorithm. Bluetooth is evolved over time and has various versions. The latest Bluetooth version 5.2 is released in January 2020. Bluetooth is maintained by Bluetooth Special Interest Group. Applications of Bluetooth. We can receive and make phone calls using Bluetooth wireless headset. We can connect PC with peripheral input and output devices with Bluetooth. It is also used for low bandwidth applications when a higher USB bandwidth is not required. It can also be used to replace conventional wired communications in like GPS receivers, medical equipment and traffic control devices, etc. Zigbee. The physical layers of Zigbee are defined by IEEE standard 802.15.4. The range is 10 to 100 meters. Network security and application layers of Zigbee are defined by Zigbee Alliance. It is cheap and small in size and consumes less power. It supports star, tree and mesh networking. Zigbee operates at various frequency bands of 2.45 GHz, 869 MHz and 915 MHz. Out of this, 2.45 GHz products are popular around the world and provides a data rate of 250 kb per second. As we can see in the picture, a Zigbee network is composed of a Zigbee coordinator, Zigbee router and number of end devices. A single network supports about 65,000 devices. Zigbee applications. Zigbee technology invoked products are used in home automation, smart lock, healthcare, industrial monitoring, smart metering and smart grid monitoring. NFC. NFC stands for near field communication. The range is 4 to 10 cm, operates in an analyzed frequency band, ISM band of 13.56 MHz. NFC supports data rate of 106, 212 and 424 kb per second. Almost all of our smartphones are embedded with NFC. Modes of NFC and its application. There are three modes of NFC: reader or writer mode, peer-to-peer mode, card emulation mode. In reader or writer mode, devices can read tags that are usually integrated in smart posters and stickers. In peer-to-peer mode, both devices can communicate with each other and exchange information like videos, images, or digital data cards. In card emulation mode, the data stored on the card having this mode is read by an NFC reader. The card having this mode is referred as a smart card and is used for various applications such as ticketing, payments, purchase, and access control. Conclusion: wireless communication globally is something that people can expect as technology advances. It has lots of benefits and make the world more efficient. It has enabled connections of billions of people to the internet so that they can reap the benefits of today's digital economy. These are some of the references I used. Thank you for listening.